Good morning, everybody. This is Nikki B and Sasha's RV Adventures, and there's Sasha this morning. And so I'm going to talk about a coffee maker that I received, and I'll say good morning. Are you going to say good morning? Baby Carol, you going to say good morning? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Good morning to you too, my love. Hi, love. Good morning. Yeah, you saying good morning to everybody? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with this. Give me a moment. Okay, guys, good morning once again. So this is Nikki B and Sasha's RV Adventures here this morning. And I wanted to give you guys a heads up on something that I find that I need in my life, okay, as a coffee maker. And I have gone through a Hamilton Beach coffee maker, got it. I'm not going to even discuss how much the thing was, but my main point is the pot was made out of glass. All coffee makers are usually made out of glass. And so I find it even on moving day, if I've accidentally bumped it, there goes my coffee. It's broken. I got to go out and I can't find a new pot, so I got to buy a whole new coffee maker, and it makes my life just bleh. So, what I decided to do is, someone gifted me, which I want to give them a shout out to. Thank you so much. You were a lifesaver when it came to this coffee pot. It's called a Black & Decker, and it's a 12-cup thermal coffee pot. So, let me show this to you, and it's small enough it'll fit on any counter. It doesn't take up much room, and the main thing is that the coffee pot itself doesn't break. So, because it doesn't break, I don't have glass everywhere and all of that stuff. So, let me show it to you, and then we'll get back to this, okay? Okay, so, this Black & Decker thermal is the awesomest thing you will ever see. As you can see, the pot is not made out of glass. It is actually made out of a thermal pot. Okay, so when the coffee brews, this gets hot on the inside, not on the outside, which means if you've got kids or something, you don't have to worry them grabbing the coffee pot or you accidentally bumping it and burning yourself because the coffee pot is hot. Okay, it's a thermos. Also, this also shows me, if you look at the timer, that the coffee was brewed exactly 57 minutes ago. Okay, and it also has a self-timer, auto, everything. I like it because of the fact that myself, I have bumped, knocked over, broken the glass pots so many times that I'm just like, oh my God. And it's hard because Hamilton Beach, you have to order the pot, and the pot costs more than the maker did. You know what I mean? So I got sick of that crap. So for you guys out there, I just wanted to give a shout out. Thank you very much for the Black & Decker coffee maker thermal. I recommend it highly. Number one, like I said, it doesn't break. It could be hit. You don't have to worry about it being, if you accidentally, like with glass, you accidentally hit it on the counter just by touching it, boom, there it goes, breaks, shattered. This does not, and it's awesome. I love it. So anyways, you guys, I want to thank you very much for watching my video on the Black & Decker thermal coffee maker. It is awesome. It's small enough to fit on any counter. It's good to go. Sasha, say bye. She said bye. Thank you for watching. Hi, you guys. This is Nikki B and Sasha's RV Adventures here again. Basically, what I wanted to do is I had forgotten some things that I wanted to go over on some reviews that my husband just now said, hey, babe, you forgot to do these reviews. So I just wanted to go over them with you really quickly. That way you can see if you're boondocking, if you're out on the river, if you're just at home, but these are essential items that I find out when I'm out on the river or I'm even boondocking, or I'm at my parents' house, wherever I'm at. These three essential items I use with electric, and you can use them with your solar panels, whatever you have going on if you have power. So if you have power, these are three essential things that don't use too much electricity, and they work. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you the shout out. Let me go ahead and show you these items. Okay, hold on. Okay, so the first item, I already showed you the coffee maker. Excuse me. So the second thing I want to show you is this is made by, let me go ahead and turn on this light here. Ah, crap. Okay, it's made by DeLong High, okay? And this is a toaster oven. Now, I know people say toaster ovens are really good. This particular toaster oven goes up to 450 degrees. I don't know if you can see that, but it goes up to 450 degrees. Almost just like a regular oven. Has a timer, did it. Now, this thing I have cooked fried chicken. A regular size pizza. Okay, a regular size that you would normally fit into a regular oven can fit into this little oven. And I can use my oven, but that takes up my propane. I'd rather just plug this baby in and she automatically goes up to whatever temperature I need her to go up to with oven baked chicken, any of that. So I picked this particular item up at an estate sale. And I thought, okay, it's a toaster oven. Awesome device to have. So I wanted to show you that. And the third thing I want to show you is, hold on a second. Okay, is my crock pot. I want to give a shout out to the person who got me the crock pot and the toaster oven. They were all items that were gotten for me to help my life easier when I'm on the road. So I want to give a shout out to that person who showed me that these are conventional things that are easy on electricity and they work. Okay, so this is a crock pot right here. You can put, it goes to high, low, and anything you want to cook, whether it's a roast or beef ribs in a crock pot to where they're really tender all day long. Put it on low, and this crock pot is awesome. I've noticed I can use these three items are essential to helping me cook without using my propane. It saves me with propane to keep my house warm, instead of having to use my oven and stuff like that. It just, these three things are really good items to have, whether you're boondocking, on the road, traveling, whatever you're doing, because they plug in and you can use them to cook whatever you need. But I want to thank you very much for watching. This is Nikki B and Sasha's Adventures. I just wanted to let you guys know these are some really cool things to have. Makes your life easier if you're living the RV life or whatever you're doing, camping, living the RV life. Anyways, have a great day. Ciao.